Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. The Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, should know by Monday whether they'll be allowed to have fans at the National Stadium for the World Cup qualifier between the Reggae Boys and Canada on Sunday, October 10. More in this report. On September 5, the Reggae Boys played Panama in an empty stadium and lost 3-0. But the JFF is hoping to have some fans when they take on Canada and has held a meeting with government officials on Thursday. The JFF made a similar request for the Panama game but was unsuccessful. However, General Secretary Dalton Wint is optimistic that permission could be granted this time around.
We had what I think was a very successful meeting with various ministries yesterday. And we left that meeting feeling very optimistic that we will get approval for spectators to support the game on Sunday, the 10th of October.
If granted permission to have fans, it will be the second sporting event after horse racing to do so on the island, and Wint is urging fans to make use of the opportunity to support the boys.
We await the approval, which we are hopeful we'll get for Monday. And immediately after we receive that approval, ticket will go on sale. And we are using the opportunity to plead to Jamaica. Yes, apart from coming to see Mikel Antonio and other players that they have never seen played on the soil of Jamaica, they'll get that opportunity to see them live, but they know that this is World Cup qualifiers and we need the 12th man in the stadium shouting the name of the Reggae Boys and supporting them all the way to Qatar.
The JFF is requesting 14,000 vaccinated fans, 2,000 of that number for the grandstand and the remaining 12,000 for the bleachers.
The prices for the ticket is as follows. In the grandstand and the bleachers, it is 2,200 because tickets will be sold electronically. So there is a service charge on the ticket. That's why it's 2,200. And it's $1,650 for the wings in the bleachers. In the grandstand, we'll have 5,500 for category 1 and category 2. We'll have 7,700. Persons will have to upload their information when they apply for a ticket. It's done electronically, so persons will have to have a credit card or a debit card to purchase ticket.
The Reggae Boys will next be in action next week Thursday when they take on USA in Texas. The boys are rooted to the foot of the 8-team table on a point, while USA are third on 5 points.